Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I have a mukbang and I am eating cheesy flavour ramen with spam. Now I've seen this a lot on YouTube and I really wanted to try it. So here it is. It looks really nice. The spam looks really crispy on the outside. Now these noodles, I don't want to eat too much because these noodles are gonna get cold, but they're cheesy kind of hot noodles. So I don't think they're gonna be really hot like the other ones. You know, the first ones I've had. So I've got my chopsticks here. I'm just going to get into it. Let's see what it's like. I can't do chopsticks. Ooh, look at that. Oh, wow. These are so nice. Really cheesy. Slight bit of spice. Oh, try another one. Oh, I'm enjoying these. And I'm finding it really easy to use these chopsticks. I'm going to try the spam. This is so good. Big bites. Just some Fiji water. This is a perfect combination of the salty kind of meat and crispy, and then these amazing noodles. These aren't Samyang. They're a different brand. I'll go get the box in a minute, but oh, I love these. The spice level on these are not crazy at all. So I hope everyone is okay today. I've got a new setup. What do you think of it? It's nicer, isn't it? It's kind of I like the white backdrop. I'm going to try not to speak as much this time because I don't know if you're, if you prefer kind of videos where I don't talk, or just let me know down below. But I'm going to just concentrate on the food today. This is so good. Makes me very thirsty. The noodles. These are so good, and they've got little bits of like vegetable pieces. So good. Sorry. Now, can you see? I have a massive spot over there and it's really annoying me. So I hope you don't really notice it. I've got my hair in plaits today, like a big plait. I just wanted it out of my face. And yeah, I've just got my hair. I've got 2 spots. I think it's because I've been using like a new skin regime. It's really annoying. But that's what happens when you use new skin regimes. It kind of, the spots actually come out. I'm not doing bad with these chopsticks, am I? Can't really describe the taste of Spam. It's basically chopped ham and pork, so it's processed. And it used to be really popular in the war days. It was really cheap, but when I went to the store yesterday, it wasn't cheap, and I thought it would have been, you know, Spam. It's like £2 for each. Which I don't know what that is in dollars, but it's a lot of money. Guys, I actually forgot that I hadn't put my cardigan on because it's really cold today. So I've got it on. It's really cozy. Ooh, look at this for me. These lights make my eyes really sore. So, I love the creaminess of the cheesy noodles. They're not, they don't taste processed. They taste quite real cheese-wise. This is really, really nice. It's quite fun to eat it from the, you know, to eat it whole. So, I'm really enjoying this. I put 3 packets in here and I'm not doing badly, am I? I'm actually quite proud of myself that I'm using chopsticks. It's not difficult. got to go clean the kitchen now after this. It's not a good thought to have. It's a mess. Now, I've seen spam all over YouTube lately. Ooh. And one of my YouTubers that I adore to watch, Veronica Wang, was... that tastes really nice, like carrot. Was doing this, did this mukbang, so I just had to do the same. Ugh. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the steam. Can you? No. I'm really liking this setup, this backdrop. Really professional. Oh, I'm getting full now. So these packets, there was like 4 sauces. There was, it said soup mix, I think it was called. Then there was like 2 vegetable, little bits that you can put in. And then there was like a cheese pack. I added all 3 cheese mixes, but only one of the spice because I wouldn't be able to handle it because it's just, I don't do spice at all, as you know very well. I'm really happy with the spam. I think it's very tasty. Full. Getting full. Oh, I can't do it anymore. I don't think I can. No, I think that might be it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this mukbang. I've really enjoyed it. I love, love, love noodles. I love the fact... Oh, I'll just get the packet, actually, because I haven't shown you the packet of the noodles. Now, these are the noodles, and they're from Otogi. Oh, God, there's a postman outside. Now, these are the noodles, and they're from Otogi. And it's got a cute little kind of person there with like a cheese slice on her head, or his head. Quite cool. And they're Korean, so I don't really know what they say. The English translation is on the actual packet of the ramen. And it's really, really cute. And I love the packaging. It's very, it's not shiny, it's like a different kind of feel. I love packaging. So that's the ramen. So there we have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. What's your favourite ramen? Please let me know in the comments below. Do you like spam, or do you not like spam? What do you think it tastes like to you? Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and please let me know what you think my next mukbang should be. I absolutely adore doing these mukbangs for you because I really like eating and I love to share my food with you guys. So that's pretty much it. Have an amazing day wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.